Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's help flatten the curve and stop the spread of coronavirus by utilizing our do-it-yourself disinfecting foot bath. Check this out, disinfecting foot bath and its formula. All you have to prepare is a foot tub. You can create your wooden foot tub or any basin available at home, a doormat, or you can use your old clothes, water, and a bleaching solution. And so here's the formula. In 1 gallon of water, mix it with 1/4 cup of bleach, or in 1 liter of water, mix it with 2 tablespoons of bleach. As you can see, I just used the cap of the 1 gallon container because the measurement is just equivalent to 1 tablespoon of bleach. If you will be using teaspoon, in a 1 liter of water, you can mix 6 teaspoons of bleach since 3 teaspoons is equivalent to 1 tablespoon. And now I am mixing it and it's ready to use. Now everything is prepared. Pour the disinfecting solution into the doormat and your do-it-yourself foot bath is ready to use. Make it a habit to step into the foot bath before entering your house. Let's help flatten the curve and stop the spread of coronavirus. Always wash your hands with soap and water, stay at home, and wear your mask, especially when going out. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.